much quieter setup here. Dry today, slightly warmer as well later this afternoon. Get out and enjoy because tonight I'll be tracking our only chance for rain in the entire forecast. Nothing significant, no flooding, no severe weather at least, just some garden variety showers and rumbles of thunder. And by the weekend into next work week, a hot stretch of weather. Call it a heat wave. Summer's not over yet. Temps right now mid 50s to low 60s. A refreshing morning. Maybe you want to open up the windows before we need the AC on by the weekend time frame. It's 56 in Platteville and Madison, 57 in Janesville and Mineral Point, and 60 right now in Monroe. Concerts on the square happening this evening, and guess what? We're not going to see rain to impact the event tonight. That's good news. Heading to the Capitol Square to lay down a blanket, claim your spot early this afternoon. Temps will already be in the mid to upper 70s. By 4 in the afternoon, we're in the low 80s with a bit of a breeze out of the southwest. Increasing clouds by 8 o'clock tonight with temps back to the mid 70s. So as we get later into the evening, sure, maybe you'll want a light jacket or a light sweater, but look how comfortable the rest of the day is. Here comes that incoming cold front that'll bring rain chances after the event wraps up tonight. I think the soonest we're talking showers locally is like midnight and beyond, so certainly not going to get in the way of concerts on the square. You can already see these showers and a few storms approaching Winnipeg, approaching North Dakota. Those will swoop southward with that Clipper system. A quick hitter expected later tonight. Here's how it looks today, though. Lots of sunshine with a light wind kicking up out of the southwest. A breeze up to 15 miles per hour is possible. By midnight, that's when we could see a few showers and storms develop near the Coulee region. So on deck first will be La Crosse, Monroe, Juneau, Adams, Richland, and Crawford counties. And that'll reach the Madison region by around 2 a.m. and all that exiting by daybreak on Thursday. So the rest of your Thursday will be dry, but it will be breezy as well with that wind turning out of the northwest. How much rain on the way? Not a whole lot. Probably a quarter inch or less for much of southern Wisconsin as this quickly swoops by tonight. Otherwise, the temps are going to be another big story in the forecast in the coming days. Seasonal weather the rest of the work week. Low 80s today, right around the average high. We're in the mid to upper 70s on Thursday, upper 70s on Friday as well, and then upper 80s to low 90s return later in the weekend. You can see temperatures are going to be much hotter than normal, not just us, but much of the central and eastern U.S. for next week's outlook, and that means that the back half of August does look like it's going to end on a hot note. So the jet stream, well, that divides air masses, and we've been talking about this heat dome over the desert southwest all summer long, breaking multiple records. It's their hottest summer on record, folks, so they're experiencing the worst of it. But we're going to get a glancing blow from this heat dome and have several hot days in our forecasts next week. You'll see that on the 7-day, 82 today, 77 tomorrow, 79 on Friday, and then things change. 87 Saturday, 91 on Sunday, and we're stuck in the 90s for much of next work week, so let's just brace ourselves for another hot stretch to develop later in that 7-day forecast.